Good day, sir. We discussed about the International Association of Marine Aids to Navigation and Lighthouse Authorities Voyage System, or the IALA Maritime Voyage System. By the way, this is the example of the Admiralty International Association Lighthouse Authorities Maritime Voyage System publication. The International Association of Marine Aids to Navigation, or IALA Voyage System, is a global standard for sea marks that help guide ships. The system uses buoys, beacons, and other marks to indicate safe water, channels, and hazard.
How it works. Buoys. Buoys are used to mark channels, sea lines, reefs, and other hazards. Colors and shape. Buoys are designed with a different color, shape, and light pattern to convey a specific nautical information. Regions. The system is divided into two regions, A and B, accommodates historical difference in a voyage practice. Electronic age. The marks can be completed by electronic means. Type of marks. Literal of marks. To indicate the edges of a channel and the port of starboard side. These are used in accordance with the direction of voyage for the region of specific location as indicate on marine chart. Where a channel divide modified or preferred channel mark may be used to indicate the preferred routes to take. In Ilala region, the literal marks on the starboard side of the channel are colored green and should be fast on the starboard side of the vessel. Those on the port side of the channel should be fast on the port side of the vessel. In Ilala Region B, the literal marks on the starboard side of a channel are colored red and on the port side are colored green.
Cardinal marks. Cardinal marks indicate the direction of safe water at a dangerous spot. Cardinal marks warn a hazard to be avoided, such as swallows or rocks. Their markings and shape indicate which side of buoy a vessel should pass are placed either to the north, south, east, or west of hazard. They are painted in combination of yellow and black and have two distinct cone shape on top, arranged in different combination to help identify them. May mo na yung isang example siyang bilang example of cardinal marks. Ang yang na siya combinations of yellow and black, and purma niya murag cone siya. Next is isolated danger marks. Isolated danger marks indicate a hazard to shipping. Isolated danger marks are used to indicate a single hazard, such as wake, which has navigable water all around it. Each vessel should keep clear and mark on all sides. They are colored black with red bands and have two black balls above each other on the top of the mark. One is an example of isolated danger marks na siya color combination sa black, red, and duha ka balls sa babaw. Safe water marks. Safe water marks indicate there is safe water all around the mark. They are used to start of a buoy channel when approaching a harbor from the sea. They colored with red and white vertical stripe. This is the example of safe watermarks. Combination siya sa color nga red and white vertical. Next is special marks. Special marks indicate a special area or features such as a pipe outfall, speed restriction, or water skiing area. They are used to mark the boundaries of areas used to recreation. Example niya water ski or boating, as a racing marks, and also for naval activities such as gunnery range. Special marks are colored with yellow and can be variety of shapes. Example sa special marks, naka-indicate siya, naka-color siya sa yellow, and variety of shapes. The International Association Lighthouse Authorities, or Association in Maritime Buoyant System, and na-group siya o Region A and B, and color sa Region B ang blue, ang nakaan siyang color sa Region B, and while the Region A is green.
EALA Region A. EALA A is used by countries in Africa, most of Asia, Australia, Europe, and India. EALA Region A, fourth of littoral marks and light are colored red. EALA starboard littoral marks and light are colored green. EALA Region B. EALA B used by countries in North, Central, and South America, Japan, Korea, and the Philippines. EALA Region B, fourth of littoral marks and light are colored green. EALA B starboards and littoral marks and lights are colored red.
The International Association Lighthouse Authorities, or the IALA Buoyant System, significantly improves navigation safety by providing a consistent and understandable system for marking hazard and safe passage. The regional variation, while present, are clearly defined, minimizing the risk of misinterpretation. The system consists of worldwide reduced the potential of accident caused by confused over buoy markings.